Of the 5 that were given to us for forensics, 2 were found in Calayan Island up north, 1 off the coast of Pasukin in Ilocos, the most recent one in Masbate, and another one in Initaw, the waters of Initaw, Misamis Oriental. We have modest capabilities right now as we speak when it comes to undersea warfare. These are air-launched or air-based systems and sea-based systems. But these are designed for tracking submarines. The submersible drones are small, 2.5 to 3.5 meters in length. I would like to highlight the indispensable role of our fisher folks. We have already recovered 5 of these. They were given to us, the reports were given to us by our fishermen. And it's difficult to detect these drones underwater. But when they're on the surface, they become visible. They get picked up by our fisher folks, and they report to the Coast Guard, the police, and then eventually to the AFP, Philippine Navy.